It's day 5 and we are still in sprint 7 of our 12-week challenge. I'm always excited on day 5 because it's been a long week. I'm ready to just unwind and review my week. I'm ready to see the progress that I've made. I'm ready to see the gaps that exist. I'm ready to score myself and see the reality. Was I really doing something about my dream this week, or was I just slacking around? I guess this is the day where I get to find out. So even if I'm not at 100%, today shows me my reality. And that's one amazing thing about day 5 for me, because it's a day where we review our week, where we review our goals, where we are truthful on the steps we've taken. Did we really take steps this week? Did we really do something about that goal that we care about? Or did we slack? And if we slack, then it's time to buckle up and just really plan ahead for the next week. It's never, too late for us to pick up the pieces of our lives and just make great progress. And today is that reality check, and I just want you to do the same. Make sure you take the time to review your week, review all of your tasks, all the strategies that you employed this week. Were they the best strategy for the week? Are there things you can do differently to help you do even better next week? What can you do differently? And if you're doing everything perfect and you score yourself 100%, then you go girl or you go guy, because you're making great progress, and thumbs up to you. And hopefully today just helps you put things into perspective as you push yourself even further towards your dreams.